For a scenic, all-inclusive escape that blends nature, luxury and adventure, Pine Bay Holiday Resort is a top pick in Kusadasi. Nestled in a private bay surrounded by lush greenery, this resort offers stunning views and a truly relaxing atmosphere. The spacious rooms and bungalows are designed for comfort, many with private balconies overlooking the Aegean, making every sunrise unforgettable. The pool scene is spectacular, featuring multiple pools, water slides, and even a dedicated kids area. And with a private sandy beach and a marina, you're never far from the crystal clear waters. Food lovers will enjoy the diverse dining options, from fresh local flavors to international favorites, all served in stunning settings. If relaxation is what you're after, the Spa and Wellness Centre offers traditional hammams, massages, and indoor pools, while adventure seekers can enjoy water sports, boat trips, and sports facilities. As the sun sets, live entertainment, music, and beachside bars bring the resort to life. For a fun, relaxing, and unforgettable holiday by the sea, Pine Bay Holiday Resort is the perfect choice.